If your Amazon KDP book isn't selling, the problem might not be your content. It's probably your keywords. Most authors just guess their keywords. I used to do the same. But after switching to Publisher Rocket, I realized my book was invincible in Amazon search. Let me show you what I mean. Inside Publisher Rocket, you can search keywords or niche you're interested to. It will give you a real Amazon search volume, competition level, and even how much money in that niche are making. You can see keywords with high searches, low competition, and strong earnings. This tool will help you write better titles, subtitles, and back-end keywords. And I use it too every time I launch a new book. If you want to fix your KDP sales and actually understand what Amazon readers are searching for, click the link in the description and try Publisher Rocket. It's a one-time payment, no subscription needed.